and as you might be able to tell from my outfit, I'm a little bit obsessed with tie-dye right now. So I want to show you how to get it on your nails. All you need is stuff you already have at home, so let's have some fun and get our nails done. The first step is to apply 1 coat of base coat. This helps with wear and prevents any staining from the nail polish. The next step is to apply 2 thin coats of an opaque white. Don't worry if it looks a little sheer or streaky. Once we get to the art, that's all gonna get covered up. Now it's time for the fun part, the art. So you wanna make sure you have either a thin nail art brush, a toothpick, or a thumbtack nearby. That's how we're gonna drag the polish to give it that tie-dye effect. Because nail polish dries so quickly, we're going to have to work fast. The first thing is to coat your nail with a 3rd generous coat of white polish. Then you want to take your color polish and create diagonals across the nail. So now that your color diagonal lines are down, you want to grab your toothpick, your paintbrush, or your thumbtack and gently drag the polish in one direction. Then you're going to want to switch and drag that polish back in the other direction. That'll give it that tie-dye effect. Now it's time to seal your look with top coat. Aw yeah, you nailed that tie-dye. Thank you so much for tie-dyeing with me. I'm Miss Pop Nails. See you next time.